Starting around 03 October 2023, Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is exchanging at $234.40 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in very most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. BCH certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $4,575,907,341, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $351,504,515. This explicitly makes Bitcoin money, BCH, fundamentally positioning at 16 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Will BCH value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is very huge? These really are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost by and large is supposed to explicitly cross an essentially normal value level of $259.46, the normal least value worth of Bitcoin money. Toward the finish of the in every way that really matters, current year ought to fundamentally be $248.26. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, BCH can basically arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $285.43, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is estimate to fundamentally arrive at an all things considered, most minimal cost of $214.92, which truly is very huge. The BCH cost could especially arrive at a really most extreme cost of $241.78, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $235.06, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money value sort of is conjectured to sort of arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $228.57, which certainly is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $253.53, with the very normal expected cost around $239.77 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may especially arrive at a truly least worth of $235.61, while the greatest determined cost really is around $263.12, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for BCH explicitly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to for the most part reach $244.56 in October 2023 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could essentially stretch around $275.35 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94 with a kind of typical cost of $251.90, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Bitcoin money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Bitcoin money could explicitly stretch around $285.43, or so they truly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 most certainly is $248.26, with a truly normal cost of $259.46, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been generally diminished by 6.38% in its especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming that we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a truly significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the BCH certainly was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.06%, so this sort of makes Bitcoin money, BCH, truly positioning at 16 in the digital currency market, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money truly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and basically put resources into an unobtrusive way especially. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the really current cost and certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it in every practical sense is seen that Bitcoin money by and large has expanded 42.564% in its worth, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The truly normal in every practical sense, least cost for the month in a real sense is $130.31, while pretty most extreme really normal cost in every way that really matters was $134.63 amazingly. This suggests that this coin basically is a reasonable resource and another expansion to especially your arrangement of coins for kind of long haul in a huge manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 43.77%, and the cost fundamentally circled from an especially least truly normal cost of $125.38 to pretty greatest most certainly normal cost of $134.83 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting how from most recent 7 days, the BCH basically was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.06%. So this truly makes Bitcoin money, BCH, especially positioning at 16 in the digital currency market, or so they certainly thought. And most certainly most recent 4 months Bitcoin money by and large has shown a developing pattern in an all things considered huge way. Consequently, we basically believe that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period in a for the most part enormous manner. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin is up by 56.68% with the greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin especially was around $103.49, and the kind of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of basically was around $100.92 in genuinely beyond 4 months, exhibiting how in truly most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money generally has shown a developing pattern in a very huge manner. Bitcoin money value estimate 2023 facts. What will in every way that really matters be Bitcoin money extremely worth in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. The BCH cost truly is determined to arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme degree of $285.43 with all things considered, least cost of $248.26 toward the finish of 2023, by and large further appearance, how the BCH cost could really arrive at in every practical sense, greatest cost of $241.78 with the all things considered. Normal expected cost around $235.06 in every way that really matters.